Where can I try an Isense mattress? If you're curious about trying out an Isense mattress before making a purchase, you're in the right place. Let's break down the options available to you. First, Isense is expanding its retail presence, which means you can soon visit one of their physical stores. They have just opened their very first retail store in Springfield, Missouri, which is also where every Isense mattress is crafted and shipped. This store is a great place to see, touch, and feel the Isense difference in person. You can try out their comfort control technology, which is the only adjustable foam technology in the world, and check out their range of mattresses, including the award-winning Hybrid Premier mattress. In addition to their physical store, Isense is planning to open more locations nationwide. This expansion will allow you to experience their mattresses in various cities across the country. At these stores, you'll get personalized guidance and support, helping you find the perfect mattress for your needs. If visiting a physical store isn't convenient for you, Isense also offers a risk-free 180-night trial. This trial allows you to try the mattress in the comfort of your own home. You can test how the mattress supports you throughout the night and see how you feel when you wake up each morning. The trial period starts from the day you receive the mattress, and you can return it anytime between 45 and 180 nights if it's not to your liking. When you order online, the mattress is shipped directly to your door, usually within 2 to 4 weeks. It comes compressed and rolled, making it easier to maneuver, although larger sizes can be quite heavy and may require 2 adults to set up. Once you've unboxed and set up the mattress, you can start your trial period. So, whether you prefer to try out an Isense mattress in a store or in the comfort of your own home, there are plenty of options available to ensure you find the perfect mattress for a great night's sleep.